For years, Nikon enthusiasts and professional photographers have been eagerly waiting for a true successor to the company's high-resolution mirrorless flagship. Now, a major internal supply chain leak from Japan has reportedly revealed Nikon's ambitious plans for 2026 with the arrival of the Nikon Z7 Mark III. While many camera manufacturers have spent recent years competing over burst speeds, hybrid features, and video-focused capabilities, Nikon appears to be taking a different route. Instead of chasing trends, the company seems focused on delivering a camera that prioritizes image quality, dynamic range, and precision, positioning the Z7 Mark III as a premium tool designed specifically for photographers who demand exceptional still image performance. Unlike a routine refresh, the Nikon Z7 Mark III is rumored to represent a major redesign aimed at reviving the spirit of the iconic Nikon D850, a camera still regarded by many professionals as one of the greatest photography tools ever created. The goal appears clear: create a mirrorless camera capable of directly challenging competitors such as Sony's high-resolution lineup and Canon's latest professional offerings. According to leaked information, Nikon delayed the development process intentionally to refine the camera's internal architecture and better align it with future technologies. The delay reportedly had multiple causes. Nikon has spent the last few years balancing production priorities across several successful camera releases, including models focused on sports and hybrid shooting. However, one of the most significant reasons behind the extended timeline appears to be Nikon's effort to redesign the imaging system from the ground up. Following its acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, Nikon has reportedly been exploring ways to integrate professional cinema-grade imaging science into its mirrorless ecosystem, making the Z7 Mark III an ideal platform to showcase these advancements. At the center of this camera is a rumored 67.5 megapixel backside illuminated full-frame CMOS sensor. While internet speculation previously suggested an extreme jump toward 90 megapixels, more consistent reports indicate Nikon is aiming for a more balanced approach. By choosing a non-stacked sensor design, Nikon appears focused on maximizing image fidelity, tonal accuracy, and low ISO performance instead of prioritizing ultra-fast readout speeds. This decision may particularly appeal to studio photographers, landscape specialists, and commercial shooters who value detail and image integrity over high-speed action shooting. Supporting the massive sensor is an expected next-generation EXPEED D8 processor, designed to handle the extraordinary data demands created by ultra-high-resolution RAW files. The new processor would reportedly allow continuous shooting speeds of up to 10 frames per second while maintaining strong image quality and buffer performance. Although not designed to compete directly with sports-focused flagship cameras, the Z7 Mark III could still offer enough speed for photographers who occasionally work with moving subjects, while maintaining its primary focus on image resolution. Perhaps one of the most exciting rumored upgrades involves dynamic range performance. Manufacturing leaks suggest Nikon is targeting approximately 15.5 stops of dynamic range at native ISO, a figure that would place the camera among the strongest performers in its class. For photographers working in difficult lighting environments, this could mean significantly more flexibility when recovering shadows, controlling highlights, and preserving subtle tonal transitions in complex scenes. The influence of Red Digital Cinema may also become one of the camera's defining features. Reports indicate Nikon plans to integrate aspects of Red's renowned color science directly into image processing workflows. If accurate, photographers could experience more refined color rendering, smoother skin tones, and improved tonal transitions directly out of the camera. Such improvements could especially benefit portrait, fashion, and commercial photographers who rely heavily on color consistency. Despite its photography-first identity, Nikon reportedly does not intend to neglect video capabilities. The Z7 Mark III is expected to support full-sensor 8K recording at up to 30 frames per second, while also delivering oversampled 4K footage for enhanced detail and clarity. To manage heat during extended recording sessions, Nikon is rumored to be introducing an advanced graphite-based passive cooling solution to improve reliability without requiring bulky external accessories. The camera may also feature upgraded 5-axis in-body image stabilization, rated up to 7.5 stops, helping photographers achieve sharper handheld images despite the challenges of working with an extremely detailed sensor. Combined with AA-powered autofocus inherited from Nikon's flagship systems, users could expect improved subject tracking for humans, animals, birds, and vehicles. With a projected launch price around $3,499 and a possible mid-2026 release window, the Nikon Z7 Mark III could emerge as one of the most compelling high-resolution mirrorless cameras on the market.